What is going on, you guys? Thanks for tuning in. Today, I'm gonna show you what you probably have been waiting for a while. I actually got it out of my storage and I got the EVO Shift. We're gonna do just a small segment on the triple click. We're gonna test it out. We're gonna see what that looks like. Here we go. So I'm gonna start filming now in 3, 2, 1. So now I'm rolling and filming right now with it. It's on record. Now, is it 1, 2, 3? It turns around and there is the vlog style. You can see my face. This is what it looks like on this camera. Yeah, so that's basically it. You triple click it and it turns back around. So let me show you guys what that looks like from my angle. Get in focus. All right, so this is what this looks like right now. It's just back in the regular mode. And I'm gonna go ahead and triple click the mode button. There it is again. You can see my reflection in the phone. And then triple click again to spin it right back around. Just like that. So that's what that looks like, and yeah. So I'm actually gonna do kind of a mock walkthrough of just some movement, and then I'm gonna triple click it, bring it, turn it around to me, and then spin it back around while still moving. So this is what that looks like. So I'm gonna start walking, and when I triple click the mode button, it will spin around and you can see that footage. I'll just splice and dice this footage together, going from this camera to this camera here. So here we go. Triple click. Now it's to me. Might have to get your angle a little bit with it, but now I'm going to triple click it again. And now it's back to the forward mode. There's my cat. Anyways. And that's about it, so. Alright, so that is what this looks like. And if I turn that back around, that is what the triple click on the mode basically looks like while in motion, movement, and whatnot. So hopefully that answered one of the questions I had on the other video. This thing is a beast because the battery life on this thing, I haven't charged it once ever since I got it. That was back at Christmas time, basically, is what it comes down to. So it has 12 hours of battery life, this bad boy right here, the EVO Shift. Pick yours up at a Best Buy, or I got this off of Amazon. It's a 3XS gimbal, so you got access here, here, and here. I'm gonna start using this thing a little bit more with some filming stuff, just because I don't have to carry a charger around, so that's nice. I can leave that at home. I know for a fact that I can't go through 12 hours of battery life in a day like that. This thing is super reliable. Definitely gonna use it a lot more since I got it back. Thanks for watching this short little video here on the triple click mode, where it switches to your person and then back out. If you'd like to see more videos on this, leave a message in the comment section down below. That'd be sweet. I'm gonna peace out for now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.